Hey YouTube. So today I want to talk about investing and at what age should you be, or I shouldn't say should you be, because that's the thing. Um, Investing is all about choice, just like most everything in life. You know, J-Mac, he put out a video yesterday saying that you shouldn't look at yield. And I agree, that's not the only thing you should look at. And it was a great video because, it really explains the traditional way of investing. You start off as a growth investor, and you make a transition into dividend or income investing. Great video. But the problem with a lot of YouTube videos is everybody's on a different playing field. Everybody's age is different. Everybody's goals are different. So everybody's incomes are different. Everybody's risk tolerance is different. So I'm super glad we have this YouTube community where we can just kind of bounce things off each other, and hopefully nobody follows anybody, to the T. I think that's the great thing, is you can pick things from all these people and possibly figure out where you are, because we're all of us are on this plane right here. And I put it downward. It should be upwards, because as you get older, life should be getting better. But I look at things in like a 20-year time frame. Say you're age 18 to 38, and then age 38 to 58, and then age 58 to death. But all that time, you have to change up. You don't have to, but traditionally you change up your investing style, right? So a lot of you guys are younger, and you're in this range. You probably have a higher risk tolerance because you still have a whole bunch of years that you can take losses and still make it up. So, age 18 to 38, maybe you should be in QQQ, just the NASDAQ, super tech companies. I don't know. You can take more risk at this point in your life. And then the next 20 years is age 38 to 58. I call the transition years. That could be a time where you start to transition and start to lean heavily into dividend stocks. And then age 58 to your death, you want lower risk and income producing securities. Now, the problem we all have is, where in this timeline did we start, right? Like, and not only that, how much risk can you stomach? And like I said, when did you start? When do you want to retire? For instance, I'm 44. I'm right around here. I want to retire at 55. And I only started investing at 43. So I have a very short time frame to get from to all this to this. And the biggest question is, how much do you need in retirement? We can't blindly just go after $1 million. I mean, you could. It's a nice goal, but what if, let's just say you're single, okay? You never had kids, and your goal was to get $1 million. You never spend it. You die. Now what? What'd you do? You didn't enjoy the work that you did. You didn't get to leave it to your kids. I mean, that's why I'm saying everybody's different, right? So since I started here at age 43, I'm already in transition mode. So I'm kind of have a combination of where I need to build up some income positions, and I need to have some dividend growth positions. I'm not I should have some of this higher risk growth, you know, and but that's, that was my thinking, is everything, every investing style is different for every person, because it's going to depend on your mindset. It's going to depend on your income level. It's going to depend on your goals, you know. So I'm really thankful. Hold on. Oh, I'm still recording. I'm really thankful that we all can have this platform to where we don't have to uh, fit into a piece of pie. I mean, a piece of the pie. We can eat the whole pie, and we can figure out which flavors we like, what's going to work for us, and what's best for us going forward. So this is just the way I look at it. I'm not saying that you should. You might be a person that says, you know what, screw that. I'm taking high risk growth. I'm going to invest in it until forever, and you'll probably work out just fine. Or you can be someone like me who says, man, I need some more income producing stocks because I'm only going to be investing for 10 years, and I may just be fine. But the one probability of all of it is we all might fall flat on our face. Now, I don't wish that upon anybody, but that's the risk of the stock market. And, so there you go. How much risk can you stomach? When did you start? When do you retire? And how much do you need in retirement? Where are you at on this path? And where do you want to go? That's all I got for you guys. We'll talk to you guys later. I got some good videos coming up for you. And please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.